This guy is an informant in South Africa. He sets people up for a living. He works with South African police officers. When he sees any of his Igbo brothers and sisters that is doing well in business, he will go and report them to these officers. So these officers will come and arrest that person, and the person will now pay money. When the person pays the money, him now will come and collect his own share from the officers. This is what he does. He was caught as one of his voice message that he sent to one of the officers got leaked. And in this voice message, he was giving the officers the names of the people he wants them to go and arrest. And he was telling them that these people, they have money, they are doing well in business. That he even tell them that these people go to deposit the money they made from their business on Monday. So they should go as fast as late Sunday night or very early Monday morning to go and arrest them before they deposit the money to the bank. I want you guys to watch the video and then listen to the voice record that this guy you are seeing here now sent to one of South African police officers while trying to set his fellow Igbo brothers and sisters up in South Africa. Thank you.
Number three. Onye kobo na moto de maniki. Nakito. T-boy came in here, boss. T-boy, Kito. On Sunday. We don't need violence.
Hello, my brother. Morning, brother. Brother, how are you? Hey, my brother, I'm waiting. I didn't see you guys. Ne? You know, this is my brother, that one. Ne? If we make business Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday morning, then going to the bank Sunday morning. You see, that one I got money. I want to arrest him inside this house. Let me get him inside this house. You see, like on Sunday night. You see, that's why I'm waiting for you guys to come that on Sunday. So even in the morning, he can be inside his house. He is there inside this house. You see. So I don't know. The other one, owner for the tavern, I don't know where he's saying, but you can get him. If you get that man inside this house, that man is keeping money, too much money inside this house. You see. Even the other one you guys follow. The other one we stay in Amalinda. Yeah, that man, I don't know his house, but if you get him where he drive to go early in the morning, that one I carry money also. If you get him inside this house, I don't know where that guy is staying. You see, if it's this my car now, if he's nice now, yeah, I can follow them. You see, I can follow them. Even that one we selling the street here. That one we selling the street here. If we get him, he got money also, too much money.